trim up, trim up, trim up. We're finding the point, correct?
Correct.
So the races we have scheduled for 2011 on the Air Canada, we have the Islands race at the beginning of March, Border Run, which is a race from just south of Los Angeles down to San Diego, and then a weekend after that we actually have a very similar race. It starts the same place as the Border Run down to Ensenada in Mexico. After that we go up to Northern California. There's a great race that goes from San Francisco, finishes over in Santa Barbara. That'll set us up for Transpac.